Part 1. Talking about the weekend. Emma and Jack are sitting in a cafe on a Friday afternoon. Emma asks Jack if he has any plans for the weekend. Jack says he doesn't have any plans yet, but wants to do something fun. Part 2. Deciding on a trip. Emma suggests going on a short trip to the countryside. She says the weather will be perfect for an outdoor adventure. Jack thinks it's a great idea and asks where they should go. Part 3. Choosing a destination. Emma mentions a beautiful lake about 2 hours away. She says they can go hiking and have a picnic there. Jack agrees and says he will bring some snacks for the trip. Part 4. Checking the weather. Jack takes out his phone to check the weather forecast. He sees that it will be sunny and warm all weekend. Emma smiles and says it's the perfect time for an outdoor trip. Part 5. Making a plan. They decide to leave early in the morning to have more time at the lake. Emma says she will bring a picnic blanket and some sandwiches. Jack says he will bring drinks and a camera to take pictures. Part 6. Inviting a friend. Jack asks if they should invite their friend Lucy. Emma thinks it's a great idea because Lucy loves nature. Jack calls Lucy, and she happily agrees to join them. Part 7. Packing for the trip. That evening, Emma packs some food, sunscreen, and extra clothes. Jack prepares his backpack with snacks, drinks, and a camera. Lucy messages them saying she is bringing a frisbee and a speaker for music. Part 8. Starting the journey. On Saturday morning, they meet at Jack's house and get into his car. Jack drives while Emma and Lucy talk about their excitement. They play music and enjoy the ride through the countryside. Part 9. Arriving at the lake. After 2 hours, they arrive at the beautiful lake. The water is clear, and the trees around it make the place peaceful. Lucy takes out her phone to take a selfie with everyone. Part 10. Going for a hike. They decide to explore the area before having lunch. Emma leads the way on a hiking trail through the forest. Jack and Lucy take pictures of the beautiful scenery. Part 11. Enjoying the view. After a short hike, they reach a hill with a great view of the lake. They sit on a rock and enjoy the fresh air. Lucy says she feels relaxed and happy to be in nature. Part 12. Having a picnic. They walk back to the lake and find a nice spot under a big tree. Emma spreads the picnic blanket while Jack takes out the food and drinks. They eat sandwiches, fruit, and snacks while chatting. Part 13. Playing and relaxing. After lunch, Lucy takes out the frisbee and they play together. Jack and Emma try to catch the frisbee, laughing when they miss. After playing, they sit down to rest and listen to music. Part 14. Taking pictures. Jack takes out his camera to capture the beautiful view. Emma and Lucy pose for some fun pictures. Jack also takes pictures of the lake, trees, and birds. Part 15. Swimming in the lake. Lucy asks if they should go for a swim. Emma and Jack agree, and they change into their swimsuits. They jump into the water, feeling refreshed and happy. Part 16. Watching the sunset. As the day goes by, the sun starts to set. They sit by the lake and watch the sky turn orange and pink. Jack says it's the most beautiful sunset he has ever seen. Part 17. Packing Up. After the sunset, they start packing up their things. Emma makes sure they don't leave any trash behind. Jack carries the bags to the car while Lucy folds the picnic blanket. Part 18. Driving Home. They get into the car and start their journey back home. Lucy plays soft music and they all feel tired but happy. Emma says it was one of the best trips they have ever had. Part 19. Saying Goodbye. When they arrive home, they thank Jack for driving. Lucy says she will send the pictures to everyone. Emma smiles and says they should plan another trip soon. Part 20. Ending the Day. Jack goes inside and looks at the pictures from the trip. He feels grateful for the wonderful day with his friends. Before going to bed, he texts Emma and Lucy saying, "Let's do this again soon." This conversation is simple and engaging, helping learners improve their English vocabulary and speaking skills. Would you like another topic?